Welcome to another session in the Njál Saga Tapestry Project, sponsored by the National Nordic Museum of the United States in Seattle, Washington. I am your host and instructor, Claudia Pétursson. If you are unfamiliar with this project, please refer to the introductory video titled The Njál Saga Tapestry Project of Iceland. If you have not already purchased a kit to join us, please go to the National Nordic Museum online store shown in the link below. All right, let's get started. Thrown a curve. I like to say that embroidery is wonderful training for decision making and learning to live with the realities of good and bad decisions. You can see from my early work that I made some poor choices when thrown some curves. Sounds like life, right? The couching stitch is straightforward when the shapes are angular, but curves present many decision points. In my first attempts, I did not mentally divide the space into more rectangular shapes. You can see how some of my threads overlap and do not yield a flat, even field. My filling in stitches don't appear to be made with consideration of the space I'm in and what it requires. As I go around this route, I'm really chancing it and not looking ahead to where I will end up. The good thing is, you can see that I start to figure it out, with this route looking much nicer than its counterpart on the right. My work shows that I'm considering the situation and making choices about ways in which to divide these challenging areas. By the time I get to the tree trunk, I've become much more accurate and made a pleasing decision about how to divide this curved space. It's important to recognize that none of our work will ever be perfect. Even the most accomplished embroiderers on the Njál Saga tapestry shake their heads sometimes and pull out their work. But our goal is not perfection, it's satisfaction, to enjoy our work and to feel joy with the outcome. In looking at this early work of mine, I can see the consequences of my choices, the poor ones and the elegant ones. And I feel joy that I was an honest evaluator of my work and persevered until I was satisfied with the outcome. Please join us for our next video, The Couching Stitch C, Curves. Tapestry kits from the Njál Saga Tapestry Center are available for purchase from the National Nordic Museum. Please visit the online store, and thank you so much for your support of this project.